Today I wanted to visit your stall. What kind of products you are making?
Basically, we are into
Food composting.
we start from half a kg per day up to 20 tons. I will explain this how.
Generally the wet waste.
Generally, the wet waste,
Kitchen waste.
all the kitchen waste, including your vegetable cuts, your fruit peels, your food waste, your non-veg waste, garden waste, whatever it is biodegradable, can be composted in this bin and converted into very rich organic value, with both liquid and solid.
How long it will take?
It will take 30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
For example, like I generate 2 kg per day waste. So I keep on putting that.
Yeah.
So 30 days it is taking.
Yeah.
Can I keep on putting 2 kg?
Yes, I will explain. Everything is a dual bin form.
Okay.
We give 2 bins. One bin you have to use for the first 30 days. Next bin you have to use for the next 30 days. 2 kg capacity means every day you can put 2 kg inside that bin. So one layer of waste and then one layer of microbes. So as a sandwiching process you have to put. We give the microbes also. This is the microbes.
Acha, this is going to help you
This
to
is, this is also will be going to help.
okay to compost the
To compost the material. So you put one layer of this, one layer of this. So this bin will get full up.
Do I have to put the same quantity?
Not necessary. If you put 3 inches of this, maybe half an inch of microbes, just sprinkle it.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle it.
This is the bacteria.
Bacteria and
Can I have a look at how the bin is there? This is the bin.
this is the bit. See, you have 2 chambers. One bottom chamber and then one top chamber. And this is the aerator.
Okay, sir.
Because this is aerobic, no, you need air circulation inside there. So once you put the waste and then you have to cover it up. Okay? It gets converted into liquid waste also.
Okay,
So liquid waste will be collected in the bottom chamber.
Okay. You don't have to add any water here?
Nothing. This liquid waste can be this liquid manure, no, it can be collected and stored in this, and then it can be mixed in 1:10 ratio and sprayed on the plants.
Okay.
It's a very good biofuel. At the top, you will be getting the solid.
Solid once in a while you have to take it out and
Yeah, one bin is filled up, now second bin you have to fill it up. By the time the second you will have that, everything is dual bin. Even a smaller bin or a bigger bin. For example, this bin is you take, caters around 50 kg. Maybe for 100 houses. 250.
so how much is the cost of this?
This is 2,500 for both the bins.
The investment is only 2,500 per house.
Per house. And the microbe cost will be coming around 75 rupees per month. And you will be generating around 3 to 4 kg of solid manure and maybe 1 liter of liquid.
So that waste which comes out now, which is the refined waste
Yeah.
in the liquid form,
Yeah.
can that be useful for something in the future?
Can be directly used as a garden.
Okay.
Can be a soil media also, you can plant.
So basically, whatever you're investing today, you're recovering back
We
in.
are recovering back. Absolutely, we are recovering.
So we can pack it and sell it to the other people
Yeah,
who want to buy
like
this
we
product.
are packing it and sell it.
So it's a commercially viable option.
Very much commercially viable.
What is the rate per kg? Sir?
It's around 200 rupees.
200 rupees per kg. Okay. And also you are making granules also.
Yeah, granules also.
So this will all help to grow vegetables at home.
Yes. Because these are all, we have value added.
Flowers, flowering plants.
Everything, plants, everything is there.
Okay. Very nice innovation. Your company name, sir?
My company name is Greenrich Grow India.
Your name?
Sarvan Raj.
I'm Dr. Manjunath, sir. You are from Chennai.
Yeah, I'm from Chennai.
Thank you for the excellent innovation.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.